Hello my dear friend, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on text suggestion on your phone. You can follow this guide easily, activate it. Let's jump right in. First, unlock your phone, open any search or messages area where your keyboard is appear. After your keyboard is appear, look for the keyboard toolbar section. You can see various options. If you found the settings option, simply tap on it to open the page. Once you're in the keyboard settings, scroll down slowly, look for the correction and suggestion button, simply tap to open them. After that, scroll down again, you can see the suggestion section under various options. Located at the what suggestion show in suggestion strip. So right now this option is turn off, simply turn it on first. After that, you can also turn on next word suggestion. Suggested contact, if you like turn that, but I recommend you can turn it off. After it's turned then on, simply go back to the keyboard appear menu. This time you can try type anything, and right now your keyboard suggestion mode is what. That's it guys, you are done. Hopefully this guide will help you. Thanks for watching.